Hey guys, I bought a new impact driver set and I wanted to share with you guys opening this pretty nice set. Sorry, I don't have fancy cameras. I'm just using my phone to open this. There we go. Just take it. Yeah, there's a tape in here. That's a very nice solid case. Sorry, I don't have any more hands to help me. Alright, this is how the case look like. Maximum. Alright. And let's do the opening. Oh, there's also another one here. And another one there. Okay, here's what we got here. Sort of like kind of oil. Yeah, I believe it's like some sort of WD-40 or something. I'm not sure. Okay. And that was a cover. It's just a kind of flimsy cover. And here we have all sort of impact set that we can use for a screwdriver. These are the extensions that we can also have there. These are deep sockets. These are all in inches, and I believe these are all in millimeter. So it looks pretty heavy and it's very nice. So this is a socket size. This is a 19 millimeter that you can see here. And this is also printed in here. Okay. And you can also find all these numbers actually written on the case here. So we have from 12 millimeter here for deep sockets to 22 millimeter. Then in here we have all in inches. Right, and these are this is 21 millimeter, but these are not deep. I believe they call shallow or short. I have no idea. Sorry again, I'm not an expert, so I'm just doing this to show all those people who are like me and want to learn things. So please forgive me if the quality of video is not very good or my explanation are not good enough. I'll just try my best. Alright guys, once again, these are all the extension bars that you can see up here. Then we have in here universal joint that you can see. We have 1/4 inch universal joint. Then we have 3/8 universal joint and 1/2 inch one. In here we have 1/2 inch extension bar, then 3/8 extension bar, and these guys I think is just converter. Okay, so this is what we have here. It's a 1/2 inch to 3/8 I believe, and again you can find all the measurements all written printed on it. Then here we have the other sockets that again we have from 10mm here up to 19mm. And here is all in inches. Alright, we do have these guys here. Alright, this for impact driver. This is another set here. Then we have these squares, number 3. Then we have squares number 2, so these guys are a little bit smaller. And then these ones are square 1. We have 4 sets in here that I believe you can find all sort of heads that you want in here. This is just overview of the heads. Okay, and these are the converters. To 1/2 inch, 3/8, and 1/4 inch I believe. Alright guys, I hope you like my first video about all these equipments, and have a great day.